Space, the final frontier. It's a canvas of darkness sprinkled with the brilliant light of a billion stars. But let's be honest, the universe can be a pretty scary place. Today, we're taking a journey into the darkness, exploring terrifying truths about space that will make you question everything you thought you knew about the cosmos. Imagine a black hole, but instead of sitting still, it's hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds. That's a rogue black hole, a cosmic phantom, invisible to our telescopes until it's practically on top of us. These wanderers are remnants of the early universe, flung out into the darkness during galactic collisions. They roam the vast expanse of space, their immense gravity a constant threat to anything in their path. Stars, planets, even entire solar systems would be torn asunder. Their matter stretched and compressed in a process we call spaghettification. Thankfully, the odds of a rogue black hole encountering our solar system are astronomically small. We often think of space as a cold, desolate place, but nothing compares to the bone-chilling depths of the Boomerang Nebula. Located 5,000 light-years away, this eerie nebula holds the record for the coldest known place in the universe, a teeth-chattering -458 degrees Fahrenheit. To put that in perspective, that's just a single degree above absolute zero, the point where all molecular motion ceases. It's like a cosmic refrigerator, only on a scale that boggles the mind. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is hurtling through space at 1.3 million miles per hour. Something is dragging us toward a mysterious region called the Great Attractor, located 250 million light-years away. It pulls in our galaxy and many others. The heart of the Great Attractor remains a tantalizing mystery. Black holes are notorious for their gravity, so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. But they also warp time itself, creating a mind-bending phenomenon known as time dilation. Imagine approaching a black hole, getting closer and closer to its event horizon, the point of no return. As you approach, gravity gets stronger and time itself begins to slow down for you relative to an observer further away. Hours for you would be years for someone watching from afar. Time dilation near black holes is one of the most tangible demonstrations of Einstein's theory of general relativity. In the vast expanse of space, cosmic events of unimaginable power unfold every day, and among the most energetic and terrifying are gamma-ray bursts, the most powerful explosions in the universe. Imagine a beam of energy so intense that it outshines an entire galaxy for a few fleeting moments. These bursts are thought to be caused by the death throes of massive stars collapsing into black holes or the collision of neutron stars. The gamma rays would strip away our ozone layer, leaving us exposed to deadly radiation from the sun. Thankfully, gamma ray bursts are rare and usually occur billions of light years away. Space may seem empty, a serene void punctuated by stars and galaxies, but it's actually teeming with an invisible threat: cosmic radiation. These high-energy particles, mostly protons and atomic nuclei, zip through space at nearly the speed of light. Here on Earth, we're shielded from the worst of it by our planet's magnetic field and atmosphere. But in space, it's a different story. Astronauts on the International Space Station experience radiation levels hundreds of times higher than on Earth. Protecting astronauts from the invisible dangers of cosmic radiation is one of the biggest challenges we face in our quest to explore the cosmos. We like to think we have a good grasp on the universe, but normal matter, like stars and planets, is just 5% of it. The rest, it's dark matter. Dark matter is invisible, only detectable by its gravity. What is it? We don't know. It's a big question in physics. The universe is a dynamic, ever-changing place, but even the cosmos has an expiration date. One possible fate, the one that gives cosmologists chills, is the heat death. Imagine a universe where all the stars have burned out, their nuclear fuel exhausted. No new stars are born, and the existing ones slowly fade away, like dying embers in the cosmic night. The universe becomes a cold, dark, and utterly desolate place, a graveyard of spent stars and scattered particles. But here's a glimmer of cosmic optimism: the heat death, if it comes to pass, is trillions upon trillions of years in the future. The universe is vast, filled with billions upon billions of stars and countless planets. Given the sheer scale of the cosmos, it seems statistically improbable that we're alone. And yet, despite decades of searching, we haven't found a single shred of credible evidence for extraterrestrial life. This is the Fermi paradox, a profound question that has haunted scientists and philosophers for decades. If intelligent life is common in the universe, shouldn't we have encountered it by now? Perhaps intelligent life is incredibly rare. Or maybe advanced civilizations tend to destroy themselves before they can reach out to the stars. At the center of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way, lurks a monster, a supermassive black hole. These cosmic behemoths are millions or even billions of times more massive than our Sun. Imagine a region of space where gravity is so intense that it warps the fabric of space-time itself, creating a singularity. While black holes themselves are invisible, the regions around them are anything but. As gas and dust spiral into the black hole's maw, they heat up to millions of degrees, releasing an intense torrent of radiation. Thankfully, our own Milky Way's supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A*, is relatively quiet at the moment. The universe is expanding, with galaxies moving away from each other like raisins in a rising loaf of bread. But here's the strange part: not all galaxies are playing by the rules. Some galaxies, including our own Milky Way, are moving towards a mysterious point in the universe at an incredible speed. This cosmic anomaly is known as the dark flow. Some scientists speculate that it could be the gravitational pull of a massive structure beyond the observable universe. Whatever the cause, the dark flow is a stark reminder that we still have much to learn about the universe. Space is vast, filled with galaxies clustered together in cosmic webs. But there are also regions of emptiness, cosmic deserts devoid of stars and gas. Among these voids, the Boötes void stands out. Discovered in 1981, it's often called a supervoid. It spans 330 million light years, one of the largest known structures. What caused this cosmic void? Some speculate it's from smaller voids merging over billions of years. Far beyond the familiar planets of our solar system lies a vast and mysterious region known as the Oort cloud. It's a spherical shell of icy bodies, remnants from the early solar system, orbiting the sun at distances up to 100,000 times farther than Earth. These icy wanderers are so faint and distant that we've never observed them directly. But we know they're out there because every so often, one of these icy bodies gets nudged out of its orbit and falls towards the sun, becoming a comet. The universe is expanding, and that expansion is accelerating. What if the fabric of space-time stretches faster and faster, eventually ripping apart the very fabric of existence? This is the terrifying scenario known as the Big Rip. Driven by dark energy, the Big Rip could be our ultimate fate. But don't panic. The Big Rip is billions, if not trillions, of years in the future. In the vast cosmic web, galaxies cluster together, drawn by gravity. But some galaxies wander alone, islands in the cosmic void. These void galaxies reside in the emptiest regions of the universe. They offer insights into galaxy evolution in isolation. As we've journeyed through these scary space facts, we've encountered black holes that warp time and space gamma ray bursts that can sterilize entire planets, and cosmic voids so vast and empty that they defy comprehension. But space is not just a place of danger and destruction. It's also a realm of breathtaking beauty, profound mystery, and endless wonder. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that while space can be a scary place, it's also a source of endless fascination and inspiration.